Alright guys, we have here the triple pour measuring cup glass, 16 ounce. To give you guys a quick look at the product, let's go ahead and open this up for you guys so you guys can see the measuring glass. It comes in like this, neatly wrapped up, so no breakage during shipping. If you're interested in purchasing this, there's a link in the description below. Let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up of the product here. As you can see, it comes all wrapped up nicely. Go ahead and remove the bubble wrap. That up. And there you have it. This is 16 ounce, 12 ounce, 4 ounce, 8 ounce. It says 2 cups, 1/2, 1 cup and half. So it's good quality, nice and sturdy. Exactly what you need for baking or any cooking things or anything that you want to measure liquid. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.